To all of you, my dear student of class 7. Today in this video I will start exercise 1.1, means chapter 1 exercise 1.1. So the question is, I will read the question once. Following number line show the temperature in degree Celsius at different place on a particular day. So you can see the number line here. It is given Lahore Speed, Srinagar, Simla, Oti, Bengaluru. So question number A. Observe this number line and write the temperature of the place marked on it. And question number B. What is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place among the above? So first I will solve this question. Observe this number line. So by seeing this number line, write all the temperature of the place marked on it. So some temperature is given, some place, for some place you have to write down all the temperature. So you just first you draw the number line in this way. So this is for Lahore Speed, Srinagar, Simla, Oti, Bengaluru. The temperature of the place marked on it is place and temperature. So for Bengaluru, you can see this is 25. So this will be 24 and this is 23 and this will be 22. So you have to write here 22 degree Celsius. And now for OT you can see here 15, then after 15 means before 15 what will be here, 14 degree Celsius. In the same way for Simla, you can see Simla is marked for 5 degree Celsius. Now for Srinagar, you can see this is 0. So everybody know this side will be your positive integer and from 0 this side will be your negative integer. So this is 0, then this will be -1 and next -2. So for Srinagar the temperature is -2 degree Celsius. Now next Lahore Spiti. So you can see here -5, then after -5 -6, here -7, then here -8. So the temperature of Lahore Spiti is -8 degree Celsius. So these are the answer for question number A. Now for B, what was the question for B? What is the temperature difference? Difference means what? Minus means you have to do subtract. Difference between the hottest and the coldest place among the above. So you have to find out the hottest and the coldest place. So the temperature of the hottest place. So you can see from here which one is hottest. You can see from here the hottest is 22. So Bengaluru is how much? 22 degrees Celsius. So for the coldest, now which is coldest? -2 or -8, which is smallest here? So smallest will be -8, not -2, because in negative case the greater number is small and the small number is greater. So -8 is smaller than -2. So which is the coldest? Coldest is -8. So what you have to do? Difference means what? Minus. So 22 degrees Celsius minus the smallest one, that is what? -8 degree Celsius. So 22 degrees Celsius minus is plus 8 degrees Celsius is equal to 22 plus 8 is 30 degree Celsius. So the answer is 30 degree Celsius. Now come to question number C. What is the temperature difference between Lahore Speed and Srinagar? So the temperature between whose? Lahore Speed and Srinagar. So the temperature of Srinagar. What is the temperature for Srinagar? You can see from here. We already have done in question number 1. Srinagar is -2 degree Celsius. Sorry, I'm very sorry. Srinagar is here -2 degrees Celsius. So the temperature of Lahore Speed is how much? -8 degree Celsius. So now difference. So what we mean by difference means -2 degrees Celsius is minus with -8 degree Celsius. So -2 degrees Celsius minus is plus 8 degree Celsius. So minus and plus is minus. So 8 minus 2 is 6 degree Celsius, and the sign will be positive because we have to put the